So hello everyone, so welcome again to this YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about one of the implementation of Selenium 4, that is relative locators. So guys, if you haven't watched the video that I have made on Selenium 4, that what features are coming in Selenium 4, so go to the YouTube and my YouTube channel and search for the video that I have made for introduction to Selenium 4. So today we are going to talk about the relative locators. This is one of the feature that is coming in Selenium. So initially it was named as friendly locators, but then later on it changed to relative locators. So if you can see, the purpose of the relative locators is to find a specific element regarding the position of another element, that you are taking the reference of stable element to locate your own element. So let's see what we have next in relative locators. So if you can see here that we have some methods by which you can locate your element using the reference of stable element. So we have above method, below method, near method, to left of, to right of. So this is how it will look when you'll use as a suggestion. These are suggestions. So I think running it via Selenium, it will make more sense. So right now I am using Selenium, and if you can see here, I have created a very quickest project to launch the Chrome driver. If you want to do that in a quickest way, I have already one video that how to launch a Chrome driver in quickest way. So I have, if you can see here, I have launched the Chrome driver and have navigated to the Google page. So now if you can see, I am on the Google page. So here what I am going to do is I am going to click on this I am feeling lucky. So this is our expected action, that I will click on I am feeling lucky via taking reference of Google search button. So for that, first I need to locate this Google search button. Let me locate it. Okay, because we have to take the reference of Google search button, so we need to first locate it. So I'm taking the reference of this class. Okay, and then this class. So I'm locating it via CC selector. Okay, so I got this locator. So as you have seen on Google page that I have located the search button, because I have to take reference of this element. So let me write it out by dot CSS selector. We use CSS selector, and okay, so this is we got search button. So now let's see what we have next. So as we have already located Google search button, so now we have to click on I am feeling lucky button. So if you can see, I am feeling lucky button is right of Google search button. So we need to use method right of that I have told you in the starting of the video. So as we have to click on it, so let me inspect this. We need bit of reference of this element as well. So if I inspect this, so I'll pick this class of this element so that we can click on it. So now let's see how we can use relative locator. So guys, please remember the syntax. It's driver dot find element, and within that find element method you need to write relative locator dot then with. Okay, so here we need to give the reference of the element that we are about to find. So I have already located the class name of I am feeling lucky button. So now you need to give reference dot, because I have already told you it's right of search button. So I need to use right of, and we have already located the search button. Let me put it here. Put it here, and okay. And what you want to perform on that button is dot click. Okay. So let's again reiterate it. So what you did is you write a relative locator, then within the width you used you located the element by class name, and you are taking the reference of search button, that this element is right of search button, and then you are performing click. Okay, so let's try to run it. If it is working or not, it should click on the I am feeling lucky button. Let's see. Okay, see, it clicked on I am feeling lucky button, and we have taken the reference of nearby stable element, and we have told that okay, this element is right of that search button. So that's how you can use relative locator, and you can see we have so many options, so many methods that I have shown initially, uh, that above, below, near, nearby, in which we have different types of arguments like web element. You can pass web element, you can pass bilocator. There's so many methods. So that's how you can use relative locators. So this is one of the implementation of Selenium 4. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel and please share the video. Thank you.